Hi, welcome to the 3D Pen Den. Christmas is coming, so let's deck the halls with 3D Pen. And subscribe, there are more Christmas projects coming your way. Besides your pen and filament, you will need 3D Made Matte template, which I separated into segments so I can use them on my small turntable. And turntable is something you can easily make yourself, and the link to that video is above and in the description. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I will give you some helpful technique tips and also alternatives how to make this without the mat and the turntable if you don't have those yet. Here is a set of spacers I use to lift shapes up. How to make those is also in the description, and today we will only need size 5 and 12. I made a pattern to use under my template to help me divide the circles into 16 segments instead of just the original 8 that are on the mat. It helps me find the middle of the segments more precisely than just guesstimating. I will make a little star instead of the smallest circle. This will keep everything connected to the wire and centered in the middle. Then I will just trace the next 6 circles and leave them there till I need them. All done. I have added these centering braces in 2 places to keep things organized. But now we no longer need them, so I will edit them out. Except in this case, I might keep the outer one, just to stop the jingle bell from sinking too far into the bell. Now, if you don't have a 3D made mat or a turntable and spacers, the process might not be as quick and easy, but you can still make this thing with a piece of styrofoam and a stiff piece of wire. However, if you have an access to a drill, piece of wooden board may be preferable to styrofoam, because styrofoam is soft and wears out quickly, but it will do in a pinch. If you didn't make your spacers yet, for this project you will just need 2 sizes. Number 12 is approximately 1 inch high, and number 5 just about 1 centimeter high. And you can easily find square dowels of that size. Now for your pattern. Work directly on the paper, but if you want to save your pattern for future use, I recommend covering it with protective layer of either tracing paper or transparency film or treated plexiglass. For details on pros and cons of these, please watch my video 7 things you want from your work surface. Make sure your wire goes in perpendicular into your styrofoam or whatever you decide to use. If you are using only handmade template, I would recommend color coding the divisions, because 16 divisions can get confusing as you work. And stick your pattern to whatever you are using for covering it, so it moves as one unit. Ready? See, you can still spin it. And if your wire gets too wiggly in the styrofoam as you work, just stick it into a different spot. As I mentioned, this is not an issue if the wire is in wood. As with the other one, start with the little star in the center. Trace your 6 other circles and leave them stuck to the support until you are ready to release them one by one as you build your bell. And from here you know what to do. So good luck and stay tuned for more Christmas projects.